Swapping out a water heater with different supply line and chimney sizes can totally work, but you gotta pay close attention to the details like BTU input and vent sizing. So, first off, when you're switching a water heater that calls for 1-inch supply lines but your house only has 3/4 inch, don't freak out too much. 3/4 inch lines can usually handle the flow fine if you're not bumping up your water heater size dramatically. The big thing to watch is the BTU input on the new unit, because gas water heaters don't depend on pressure but on the volume of gas they burn. If you jump to a heater with way higher BTUs, your existing gas line and vent might struggle. For the chimney, if your home has a 3 3/4 inch flue but the new heater wants a 4-inch vent, you can usually upgrade the thimble, the part connecting the heater to the chimney, to fit a 4-inch or even 5-inch B-vent pipe if your flue is in good shape. Just make sure the venting is sealed tight and installed correctly to avoid any dangerous gas leaks. Also, double-check local codes because they often have specific rules about vent sizing and pipe materials. Lastly, don't forget to inspect your gas line and water connections to make sure everything matches up and there are no leaks or weak spots before firing up the new heater. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when swapping water heaters is ignoring the BTU rating difference, which can mess up gas flow and cause poor performance or safety hazards. Fix that by always matching or checking the new unit's BTUs against what your gas system can handle. Another common issue is underestimating vent size. Using too small a chimney or vent pipe can cause backdrafts or carbon monoxide buildup. Upgrading the thimble size or vent pipe usually solves this. Lastly, some people forget to upgrade or check their water supply lines. Even if 3/4 inch lines might work okay for smaller increases, bigger heaters might need larger pipes to keep water flowing properly and avoid pressure drops. The fix? Either stick to similar sized heaters or be ready to upgrade your plumbing as needed. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, especially for projects like water heater swaps. Contractors love it too because it connects them with people actually looking for their services, so everyone wins.